How to refund the Shopee after the order is received. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to refund the Shopee after the order is received. First of all, open Shopee.com. Click on your username and open My Account. Click on My Purchase. Here are different options: All, To Pay, To Ship, To Receive, Complete, and Cancel. Click on Return and Refund. For now, there are no return or refund cases. Click on Help. Tap on Returns and Refund. Here are some raising requests like what kind of products are not allowed for physical return. Click on About Return or Refund for buyers. Tap on How do I raise a return or refund request? A new tab will open to request a return or refund following these steps. Now open the Shopee customer service team in a new tab. Select what type of user you are as a buyer and select your inquiry as a return refund. Enter your Shopee username, email address, and order ID. You can add descriptions about your product and can upload files. Add a description that I'm not satisfied with my order and want to refund my order. You can upload your file as well, and at the end, click on Submit. That's how you can refund the Shopee after the order is received. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.